Good morning. Good morning, Facebook. Let me go ahead and add this title here. Good morning, celery and grapes. All right, guys. Good morning. So, if you've been following my Insta stories and posts, you'll know that I was in Orlando for the last 5 days. Good morning. So that means I was completely off with my healthier eating. I did make sure that I exercised every day and I had fruits, more fruits than vegetables. I don't remember having vegetables, but I made sure I had my fruits every day because at the end of the day, whatever you put in your body filters through your body and reflects on your skin. So for those of you that are having issues with your skin and hair not growing and you've done everything you can and you still can't find the results that you need to find, you really need to take a look on the inside and figure out how's your eating, if you need to detox, how's your hydration. A lot of people really focus on the outside and don't pay zero attention to the inside and help clear their inside so that they could start glowing and radiating. So, let me throw this on the side. I am back on it and I'm excited. My body was craving and missing my fruits and vegetables. So this morning I'm gonna quickly make some celery and grapes. Here's the celery that I have. And if you guys watch the Insta stories, I showed you how I washed the grapes. You know what? I'm gonna add some ginger in here too. Let me get some ginger. And this is the bowl of grapes that I have for my juicing this morning. Give me 1 second. And if you're not familiar with real turmeric, this is real turmeric, turmeric root, and of course ginger. For the ginger, I'm gonna put the first section of your thumb. Measure that out. Unless you really, 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 really like ginger, you can put more. But I find that my system can only handle so much ginger at a time. So I'm gonna add the ginger first. And then a piece of the turmeric. You don't need a lot of turmeric. Good morning, you don't need a lot of turmeric. Turmeric is very potent. And then I'm going to add my grapes, then celery. And celery juice, some type of celery juice is something that I'm gonna try to incorporate every morning because celery is so good for not only cleaning out your system, your organs, but it is especially good for helping you with your digestive system. So if you have issues with bloating, IBS, burping, you can't seem to get your digestive system together, if every time you eat you're feeling very uncomfortable because of your good morning, because of your digestive system, celery is definitely something you want to incorporate every day. Now, I'm trying to move this into Facebook too. Move this in without dropping the bowl of grapes. So, what was I saying about your digestive system? There was something else I was gonna say. So yeah, definitely celery is something you wanna have every day. I tried to have straight celery. I think right before I left to Orlando last week, Thursday, I made about 16 ounces and I could not stomach straight celery. I don't know how people could stomach straight celery. So I realized with me, I'm gonna either have to mix it with pineapple, grapes, you know, something else so that I can have the benefits of the celery also. And those of you that have allergies to certain fruits, pay attention to what fruits you have you're allergic to. I used to be very allergic to apples, grapes, strawberries, until I did some research and I realized it's because those type of fruits have the pesticides on it. They're exposed to pesticides, so They're not the type of fruits you can peel like a banana. So if you notice that you tend to be allergic to fruits that you cannot peel, then it's because of the pesticides. And it took me a long time to realize that. What I ended up doing was just taking it out of my regimen and not eating it, not realizing it's because of the pesticides. So if you notice you have allergies to these types of fruits that you cannot peel, it's probably because of the pesticides. So be sure you always buy organic. Whether you're allergic to pesticides or not, you want to be sure that you buy organic of any type of fruits that you're not peeling off, because you don't want to have that pesticides in your system. If you can buy organic, buy organic. If you can't, be sure you're washing it in a baking soda wash or vinegar wash. Be sure you're eliminating as much pesticides as you can. So here's to this juice. And you leave the celery for last, just in case it starts getting stuck in the machine. Good morning. And I'm going to show you how much juice this made. I'm just trying to make 32 ounces for today. I can make more tomorrow. It's almost done. Give me 1 second. And what I like about this juicer, it has a reverse. Good morning, guys. It has a reverse. So with the reverse, if you notice that your fruits or vegetables is getting stuck in there, you can reverse it so it can come back out and filter it again. So this is, oh, how many ounces did this make? I don't know, I can't tell. This is probably 32 ounces. But if you notice, I have my filter at the top because I try to get my juices straight into my blood system. So I take out the pulp. And I notice a lot of people on IG and YouTube and Insta stories and whatnot, when they're drinking their juice, they gulp it down. Don't do that, guys, especially if you're not used to juicing. Don't gulp your juice down. It goes straight. When I tell you it goes straight, especially when you take out the pulp, which you see me trying to do here, I'm going to show it to you. I see a lot of people, like I was saying, I see a lot of people gulp down their juice. And for you that are watching, you're thinking, okay, right when your juice is done, let me gulp it down. No, please don't do that, especially if you're not used to juicing, because like I said before, it goes straight into your bloodstream. And for some people, that can throw you off. I remember when I started, before I started the juice cleanse, I was drinking my juice very fast. I was drinking my juice like water and didn't realize how it was affecting my system. And I kept feeling sick every time I drank the juice. and I didn't realize it's because I was drinking the juice too fast. Not only was I drinking the juice too fast, but I wasn't drinking water throughout the day. It wasn't till my 4th day of juice cleansing, my juice cleanse, that I started to drink water throughout the day along with my juice, and that helped me to digest the juice better. So if you've never juiced before, be mindful of who you're following, what they're teaching you. Listen to your body. If you notice that you're drinking a juice that makes you feel off, either slow down on how fast you're drinking it or make sure you drink it with water. There were some times, like the pineapple and ginger juice, for me, I would have to drink, take a gulp of water, take a gulp of water. And that was how my body was able to handle it. So here's the pulp, and this is the fiber. And because I want it to go straight in, I'm taking this out, and I'm gonna drink the juice straight. Another thing is, one second, there's a little bit left in my juicer I don't wanna leave behind. Don't let your juice sit around for over an hour or two. Sometimes you're juicing, and because you didn't finish the juice, you'll sit there and leave the juice kind of hanging around the house so you can sip it throughout the day. Don't do that, because you can cause the juice to accumulate bacteria. The juice will accumulate bacteria very quickly, so you want to try to drink this within an hour. So for me, I'll be sipping this over the next hour, hour and a half. By that time, I will be done with this 32 ounces. This is celery and grapes, which is beneficial for your health, your organs, cleaning out your organs, your liver, your kidney, your skin. For those of you that just joining me, I have had maybe over 600 people, 700 people join my Instagram over the last week. So if you are one of them, welcome. My name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist. I am here to talk to you about all things mind, body, and skin. And what sets me apart from different skincare companies, I don't just make your natural products. I teach you not only how to use your natural products, but I also teach you other ways that your skin and hair are affected by, one second, good job, Luca. I teach you how your environment, your relationship, your mental state, your job, your, what else, stress, what else is there? Your food, your hydration. I teach you how all that affect your skin and hair. And that's something that we're really missing in the skincare industry, where a lot of companies really just focus on, this is the best product for your skin, this is the best product for your hair. They're not looking at the root cause of your skin issue. They're not looking at the root cause of your hair issue, because a lot of this starts within. For example, a lot of people have issues. Let me drink this, hold on. Oh, that is good. That is really yummy. Yeah, I don't taste the celery at all. So that's good. For example, hair loss or hair shedding or baldness. A lot of people will come to me and say, hey, what can I do to help with my hair loss? The first thing I do not do is just go ahead and recommend the Haitian hair butter. No, I'm asking them, do you have any medical conditions? Has anything happened when you started noticing the hair loss, has anything started to happen in your life around that time? Maybe a relationship change, maybe you've changed environments, you've moved, maybe you've changed jobs, maybe you're stressing more. How's your life? How's your stress level? Did it happen around the time you started losing your hair? Are you anemic? How's your iron level? So these are questions that I ask people right off the bat before I even suggest the Haitian hair butter. Because my belief is, I'm not selling you products if you're not trying to figure out the root of your issue. Sorry, my ADHD got me looking at this. If you're not trying to figure out the root of your issue, to me, don't buy my products. Because if you're not going to try to clean the inside and the outside at the same time, guess what? You're going to be a disappointed customer. Because let's say, here's another example. Your acne is only due to you having, let's say, cheese. So for you, your acne only flares up when you have cheese. And you come to me and you say, Donata, I'm having issues with my acne. What can I use? And I tell you, well, what's the root? Blah, blah, blah. We figure out what the root is. And then I say, okay, let's work on the root at the same time that you're using my product. If you don't work on the root and you're using my product, yes, my product will help. Yes, my product will make your skin look better. But at the end of the day, why not do everything together to get the best results that you can get? So that's my approach to everything. Whether it's talking about the mind affects the skin and body a lot. What we do with our body, that's why I post everything that I do. Sometimes people are like, oh, well, more like family, not my customers. But my customers love to see whatever I'm doing. But family's like, why are you always posting what you eat? Or why are you always posting your workouts? One, I use Instagram to keep me accountable. Because if I know I'm posting and other people are watching, somebody's looking forward, somebody's cheering me on, someone is excited for me. So that alone keeps me to keep going. And then not only that, some of you I'm inspiring to, maybe if you never thought about working out as a way to detox your skin, maybe you're like, oh, you know what? I want my skin to look better. Let me start walking 10 minutes a day, or let me start jogging 5 minutes a day. It doesn't matter what you do. Just start doing it. Baby steps. If you've been listening to me over the last 4.5 years, one thing I'm really big on is baby steps. Don't do the whole drastic change. That whole quick drastic change lasts as quick as you started. Do baby steps. If today you take a 5-minute walk, if today you decide to drink 32 ounces of water, hey, your skin and your hair will be grateful for every little baby step. So I'm here for you. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome. You're more than welcome to send me a DM. I answer, hold on. Hey, shh. I answer my DMs within 24 hours. I have lots of video on YouTube. My YouTube channel is called Donata Skinfood. If you guys are familiar with Instagram TV, I'm starting to post all my videos that's less than 10 minutes. I'm starting to post on Instagram TV. So follow that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and definitely subscribe to my emails, okay? Thank you guys for watching. You have a blessed and amazing day. Bye.